Flight crew, please prepare for takeoff.
I want to share something super cool with you guys. These are 1 minute. I'm on the 1 minute time frame. This happened so fast. I couldn't even switch off the 1 minute time frame. So I had this down here to see if this ever dropped below 44. When I realized that it wasn't dropping below 44, I knew that this market was going up today. So all I had to do was be patient and ride it out. What was this? 8 o'clock in the morning, missed the play. 9 o'clock in the morning, missed the play. 9:30, caught the play. And then at 9:30, what is this? 36, what I started doing since I saw that we were going up is I started micro trading. Every time you hit the 9 o'clock hour, if it doesn't run like crazy, it's going to consolidate, and then pop off of the direction. So we now know the market's going up. You see all these arrows. I'm catching all of these consolidations. Yeah, it's beyond my 3 trade rule. Didn't care because I was just equal highs, taking the equal highs, taking the equal lows. Every time I saw an equal high, take it to the downside. Every time I saw equal low, take it to the upside. When we broke trend, I waited. You see my trend line here. When we broke my trend line, I waited. Okay, I saw at exactly 9:58 we're pushing down. We never touched the 200 EMA. When that happens, you now know that you're about to pop off like crazy. As soon as it starts happening at 9:59, we don't wait for the 10 o'clock hour. We jump into the trade. As 10 o'clock happens and it's continuing up, we double our positions and we ride this bad boy all the way to the imbalance here. Starts to pull back at the imbalance, get out of that trade. Stops right here, get right back in the trade, ride it all the way up. Starts to pull back, get out, get an equal high. Don't ride that equal high down. We're waiting for the pullback. Go ahead and just take it up the rest of the way. As soon as we get to that halfway point on the what was a volume imbalance, it took it out. Rode that on up to right here. Finished off our day with $3,120. These are 1 minute candles. These are 1 minute life-changing candles. Completely insane. This market is an amazing place. If you use this tool properly, you can make a lot of money. You can take care of your family. You can pay your bills. You can be an aid to your community. You have to have a clear vision. You have to have focus. But more than anything, you got to practice your anus off. You got to practice. I have done thousands of trades at this point. I've been trading for 1 year. I've done more than 3 trades a day for that year that I've been trading. So that's 365 days in a year. I'm up over probably maybe 2,500 trades in that time frame. I trade all the time. And what that helped me do is I don't know everything about market structure. I don't know everything about fibs. I don't know everything about anything about trading. But what I do see is the patterns now. I see patterns that happen every single day, again and again and again. And once I recognize those patterns and they continue to happen, I start executing. I start trusting my analysis. Okay, so this pattern to the upside, you had your double bottom. You almost made a triple bottom. Okay, so when we got down here and we weren't going down any further, I'm like, we can't really push down any further. We're oversold. So now we got to start buying. And when we saw the initial push up, I hesitated to get in at 9:30 right at the front because look at that massive wick pull down. So I would have lost some money. Hesitation, but my hesitation was smart hesitation. I wasn't scared. I was being cautiously in approaching my trade to the market. We were still in the downtrend at the time. We needed to break into the uptrend. This purple line is the uptrend. This white line is the downtrend. Get in there, make that trade. You make $3,120, get an account funded in 1 day. And now I have 3 accounts funded. 3 accounts funded. And if I can just do a little bit on each of those accounts each day, I can bring home $6,000 a month to $12,000 a month off of 3 accounts. It's all about compounding those little wins, little win, until you can get an opportunity to catch a big win. I think they're called windfalls. Until you can get an opportunity to catch a windfall or a big win. So when you see that big win, it's okay to throw in an extra position. If you're confident in the move, throw in an extra position. Tight stop loss, throw in an extra position. But $3,000 1 day is an amazing trading session. Funding an account in 1 hour. I didn't think I could do it at first. You know, I'm going to be honest. I wasn't 100% confident. I know I can get like maybe 1,500, 1,100 or whatever. I average that over these accounts. But 3,000, that's all God right there. Oh my goodness. And I appreciate the Lord for blessing me this morning. Listen, I'm emotional right now. It's a life-changing skill. You need to have one person in your family investing in learning the stock market, investing in learning how to invest, and investing in learning how to trade. There is money to be made. They don't care what you make, because somebody off of this exact same trade made $100 million, made $3 million, made $4 million. You know, someone became a billionaire off of this movement to this movement. And all they did was click a few buttons. So they don't care what you're doing. Get out here and learn how to make this money. Look, it's still running up. It's still running up. You still have a chance to make some money off of this push up. Or you can get it on the way down. It doesn't matter. But you guys have a great day. Thank you for joining me in another full transparency trading session. We'll go more in depth with the trades. I think I recorded a couple of them before I actually made this video. But this is just an amazing day, guys. You know, I'm your boy Sebastian. Thank you again for checking me out. Listen, take the easy wins. And I'm out.